Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are going to be discussing the Trend Scalp Indicator. Okay, the Trend Scalp Indicator is quite a unique indicator. Alright, it can help you to identify potential market trends and it provides clear alerts and signals. Alright, it's a custom indicator, so you need to download it if you do not have it already. Okay, so I'm going to be adding it to the chart right away, and as you can see, this is what the indicator looks like. You can see the Trend Scalp Indicator. All right, now this indicator has a positive territory and a negative territory, as we can see right here in the indicator window. All right, so interpreting the signals are quite straightforward. Okay, it's quite straightforward. Whenever the indicator is in the positive territory, it signals a bullish momentum, right? When it's in the negative territory, it signals bearish momentum. However, when the indicator gets to the extreme top, it shows an overbought condition. And when it gets to the extreme bottom, it shows an oversold condition. Now let us interpret the signals. Okay, let's look at a few examples, right? For example, here, when the indicator, let us start from here. When the indicator was in the bearish territory, the negative territory, it was still showing bearish momentum, right? But then when the indicator cut above the zero level, once it entered the positive territory, that was when it now showed there is actually bullish momentum. Okay? That was when it showed that there was bullish momentum. And then, when you have these blue dots, blue dotted lines, like circles linked together, when you have it form, just know that an overbought condition is imminent. Right? Know that an overbought condition is imminent. So once the indicator crosses above that and starts coming down, you can use that as a signal to exit your buy trade. All right. So once the indicator drops below those circles, those blue circles, you can exit your buy trade. Okay. But it's still showing that there is some bullish momentum. We could possibly have a continuation in the bullish direction. But then, once the price has dropped into the negative territory, it shows that there is now bearish momentum. Okay? Then in this case, we can see these red dots appeared, showing that a bullish reversal is imminent. Okay? So in as much as the sell move was just short, this indicator showed us that the sell has already come to an end. The appearance of these circles show that the sell has already come to an end. And then as you have the indicator cut above those circles, the level indicated by those circles, we have the opportunity to exit a sell. That is, if we are in a sell trade, if you're a scalper and just want to take advantage of that, you can just exit your sell there. And then you wait for the indicator to cut above the zero level. Once that happens, it confirms the buy. You can go ahead and enter your buy trade and then wait for the indicator to give you a signal. For example, in as much as this was a resistance zone, I will recommend that you also pay attention to support and resistance zones. Plot your zones on your charts, your support and resistance zones, plot them on the charts, okay? And then make use of trend lines as well. They give you additional layer of confirmations, all right? So we can see that the price was actually being rejected at this trend line. Sorry, at this resistance. The price was being rejected at this resistance. And in as much as those blue circles did not form, even though they didn't form, you can see that the indicator got towards, a high level that somehow coincided with the previous, the previous levels where those blue circles were forming. So it got close to that and started turning down. So it would have been a sign to exit our buy trade. Okay. And then once the indicator entered the negative territory, it was a signal to enter a sell. All right, so we can see that at that point we would have considered entering a sell trade, setting our stop loss above the previous swing high, and then for our take profit we can decide to use support zones, or we can decide to wait for the indicator to give us a buy signal, or to give us an exit signal. When this happens, crossing above the red dots, we can then exit our sell trade. Okay, so the indicator is quite easy to use and quite straightforward. All right, but I'm going to recommend that you always confirm your signals, because there is no indicator that is foolproof. So make sure you always confirm the signals given to you by the Trend Scalp Indicator. All right, you can use this indicator on any time frame of your choice. Okay, whether you are a scalper or a day trader or a swing trader, you can be able to make use of the Trend Scalp Indicator. Okay, the indicator enables you to monitor trends across different time frames, and you get alerts also. All right, so in addition to the fact that you have precise signals in the indicator window, the signals given to you by the indicator in the indicator window, you also get alerts. All right, so that's quite a nice feature, right? As we can see, when there is a signal, as you can see, I dropped to a lower time frame, and you can see we got an alert, right? You can see that we got an alert here. If I go to another time frame, can you see we got an alert? So this indicator is a nice indicator, as it gives you alert in addition to the precise signals within the indicator window. Okay, so if you have any prior experience using the Trend Scalp Indicator, kindly share your experience with us in the comment section, or if you have any questions at all, kindly share your questions in the comment section. All right, thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. In the meantime, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly do that now, because it helps the channel to grow. And in order for you not to miss out on subsequent videos, you might want to subscribe to the channel and put on your notifications, and also give this video a thumbs up if you found it insightful at all. Okay, thank you once again. I hope to see you in the next video.